I can't get I do not know how to use electronics.
Jen cleaned up the kitchen, yo. Where do I gotta find a laser?
See, it doesn't do anything.
Oh, I don't think. Maybe I'm not in range. Ride me over there, please. This is so funny, yo.
I don't know if I can really do this, Matt, right now.
Okay.
It's like super dark and there's lasers in my eyes.
Okay.
And there.
Okay. Okay.
There. Yeah, the flashy, no.
And, it's doing, that's when it like changes to a new thing and then
The flashing is probably the most disorienting.
oh yeah, I don't get
And the speed, like when it picks
Kid.
up.
We're on the same page, right?
Good.
Yeah, when it fucking slow.
Besides the fact that I'm pretty sure they're making demonic portals. But they're pretty looking. Like that one's chiller because it's not so overwhelming with billions of pictures.
It's pretty slow, ain't it? It's terrible video. No laser back. No laser. Speed slow. Could you set this back up?
Huh?
Could you set it back up for me? On the thing?
Yeah. Where I'm gonna keep it at is just right up there. Unless you want it here.
Hold it. Yeah. No, whatever's fine. But hey, out there in the radio land, Jen straightened up the kitchen. We got the laser, a toaster, a smoothie maker, cool art, bunch of things, my little crumble toys. All that good stuff. It's a good kid. No ceilings is going nice. Wow, I panned all the way away. Come near me, Gimbal. Just want to say it's very nice. And then it didn't turn on.